lanes to turn left.
At least when your credit score is good, you'll get a good rate. That makes a big difference. I won't know. That's where you were staying the one time. Hyatt place.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Come on with me. Which boat am I buying?
I don't know. Look at all these boats. Ooh, it's so cute around here. What's that in the middle? Broadway Market? Oh, this is a restaurant too.
It is?
Yep. The Chop Tank.
Chop.
No, what's it?
But there's no one there.
I think it's a Wednesday in the front line.
Bingo.
I'm happy we did this. This is nice.
Isn't it nice?
Yeah, it is.
What are we having?
This is amazing, right?
Yeah, it looks great. So we're halfway done and we're about to go in
For the big kahuna.
for the big one. So let's see if our mouth can take it. Okay, girl. What are we putting in?
I'm gonna put a little bit of the lemon. You gonna do lemon?
Yeah, I want to do lemon.
Wait, is that radish?
Oh, that's radish.
Yeah, be
That's not
careful.
that-
Yeah.
I don't want it. Okay, so it's just this. Okay,
I'm gonna try a little bit of this.
you go for it. Okay, guys, here's goes nothing.
Take this. Make sure it's okay.
Cheers. Cheers.
Wow. Oh. I didn't swallow.
No, you didn't?
I couldn't. That was like eating Little Mermaid.
It was not even, it was very salty, it was not sweet, and it was not juicy. Ugh. So, is this gonna be better than the nasty thing that we just ate?
I hope so.
I don't know if I could eat.
That was bad.
Yeah. It looks good though. Okay, let's see.
You should have known. We asked Miss Booty from over there.
And this is well done. It tastes good.
Okay.
Pancake sandwich. You can try sauce with ketchup.
Thank you.
Anything else I can get for you? Good for now?
Great.
Good for now. Thank you.
Ooh, delicious.
Oh, we don't have to fight about the
that's what.
it's like I'm getting this, I'm getting that. Okay, we're excited about the this is looking better.
This is looking better.
This is looking better, so we're excited about this.
Yeah.
So let's dig in.
You.
Here, thank you. Here, scoop yours.
Oh, thanks.
Into your plate.
It's fine. Leave it there.
It's a tomato that came out.
It has bacon or not?
No,
Okay.
or tomato. Expensive for it.
I haven't done. This is so cute. Cherry blossoms.